What's your name again?
Sophia po.
Sophia. Ganun yung mga moves niyo?
Oo, Sophia! Grabe ka sumayaw. Parang 32 ka na.
Si Coach Donnie.
Talagang wow!
Si Minnie Bell. Saan si Minnie Bell? Sino naman kasama mo ngayon?
I'm with my two loving fathers.
Oh, nag-game pa. Hindi ka say no ka na. No. Their reaction. She's on their reaction.
Ako si Axel.
My two loving fathers.
Ako po si Jonar po.
I think they planned that.
Yeah, that's all. Alright, you're gonna call her father.
With my two loving fathers.
Okay.
Because they take care of me. They
It's
buy me
political.
whatever I need. And they cook me my favorite food.
Bali, 9 years na po kaming magkasama. Then ngayon, after 3 years noon,
Oh, it's gonna make great TV.
ng anak ko, Isabel. Ang pagiging magulang naman po kasi hindi po naka-base yan kung anong gender yung meron ka. As long as na may purong kang puso para maging parent, pwede kang mag-raise ng isang mabuting bata. Masasabi ko, she means the world to us. Kaya po, nung nakita po namin siya sumasayaw sa stage, overflowing po yung happiness na nararamdaman namin. Kasi pakiramdam po namin parang kami na rin po yung nasa stage na sumasayaw.
Maraming salamat guys. I'm sure very proud kayo sa kanila.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much. Balik na po kami dito mga judges.
Kayo tanong muna natin yung ibang judges kung ano yung na-feel nila sa performance niyo. We'll start with Judge Kat.
Very good. Ang ganda-ganda ng performance nyo. Ang galing, ang galing. Okay. So, una, lahat kayo nag-aaral pa, no? And then lahat to, nandito kayo kasi kayo mismo yung gusto.
The performance.
Makes me so happy.
Yes.
May good kids, alright? Why? Because they're gonna
I
say
think yun naman talaga yung hinatid ninyo ngayon. Sobrang happiness. Congratulations, thank you.
Nervous na no?
Rinig na rinig natin yung mga sigaw ng magulang nila sa likod. Oh.
Grabe naman yun.
Hello mga magulang, nandiyan ba kayo sa likod? Grabe na kayo, no?
Ay, good ka na.
Teka lang. Wait lang. Si Mami sa likod, nakikita ko habang nagsasalamin. Ganito, oh.
Find that funny?
Mami, bakit po yan ang nararamdaman nyo ngayon?
You see po, only child ko po si Ohana eh. I just feel that I want to do everything para ma-prepare siya sa future niya.
Ang daming drama.
Kita-kita naman na sobrang proud
Are we
nyo.
gonna get into all of the kids' situations?
Pero wait lang guys. Magdunong pa kami lahat. Hindi, joke lang.
Yun!
Sabay-sabay na natin ibigay kayo ang vote natin. Okay.
I hate it when they do that.
Para marinig ko na
Song,
lahat.
say
We will
it
tell you our
same time.
decision in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, no.
Enk.
Pasok po kayo sa next round. Congratulations.
Na-serve ng Bini-Mini ang apat na yes ng judges.
Ba't hindi si
Pero,
Otis?
partner, pansin mo ba yung concern ni Catherine kanina for the girls?
Yes, Robby D. At si Judge Ohit, mukhang napansin din ito kay Catherine.
Kasi ito ko pala. Yung part ng mga bata, yung bini-mini,
Yeah.
yung pag titak mo sa kanila, yung just make sure na nag-enjoy kayo. Gusto niyo ba itong gawin? Gusto niyo ba talaga itong ginagawa niyo?
Kaya sinabi ko siguro yun kanina kasi gusto ko makasiguro na sila yung may gusto na mag-perform. Kasi siguro yun yung mahirap sa job. I started when I was 6. Almost 6
Oh, I like
years.
that.
6 and
Catherine,
7.
ang talino niya.
Why? Wala.
Do they really like doing that or they're just the parents who want them to do that? I like that, I like Catherine.
We'll have to do, so if they don't like it, just say no.
Yeah.
Arte-arte.
Mom, I don't like what you're making me do. I don't want to be a beanie-meanie.
Teacher, nasa stage
She'll say no
ako.
for them.
Nag-host ako, ganun. Oo, hanggang sa nag-theater arts ako. So, papunta na talaga sa entertainment. Ikaw, share mo naman kung anong pangarap
She's
mo.
growing.
Growing up kasi sobrang shy ako.
If she
Tsaka ako
starts
yung least
talking,
likely na
I'm
papasok sa
gonna
showbiz.
every day.
Pangarap ko po maging businessman. growing up, my favorite thing to do, nagbebenta ako ng load sa village namin.
Saan racket mo na?
Malaki
Village
po.
namin.
Dito pa, sir. Nagbebenta din po ako ng ice candy.
Ay, sa sold ice cups. Ako, lahat ng kamag-anak ko, yung bebenta ako muna, di ba? Oo.
At least Rock Hill looks better than James Reid.
You find pleasure.
Oh, yeah, James Reid.
Not that you make so much money, but it's a fulfillment there. Di ba?
Philippine Idol.
Hindi lang pera yun eh. And that is the one
I was happy
the
with
ones
their
that
Robin
drives you
guys,
in life.
Angel,
Those
and
small
that old
successes.
guy.
Di ba?
Oh, that was so long ago.
Up next, ang dalawang
Finally.
lubos na pagmamahal para sa pamilya.
Makabawi sa ate at mga magulang ko po na nagpapaaral sa akin.
Kahit gano'n po kahirap, kahit gano'n po
You don't, you're not only, you shouldn't only have a talent. Yeah, you have to have a dramatic. What the?
What the What Video dito lang sa Pilipinas Got Talent.
Tagal ni mama ha.
Cute baby.
Ay, ako muna lang sa face.
Linis agad. Di ba yan, Joy? Sa Linis Joy! Hindi mo yung bitin?
She's looking at the camera.
Sa extra rice na kulang, dami sauce
Dito?
ang mga
Yeah,
flavors
dito
ng
pogi.
meals.
Yeah, dito pogi.
Sobra kang favorite guy. What's his name again? I like him.
Nagawa akong batas.
Kay Bam Aquino?
Dahil kay Senator Bam, graduate ang college ang anak ko. Eto, may trabaho na siya. May trabaho na siya. May trabaho na siya.
Tama.
Oh, she's wanna vote for Bam Aquino.
He was so interested in the
Birch 345. May lakas depensa plus. Sa brain lakas. All lakas. At yung mga lakas. Brain lakas ng Birch 3. Bili mo ko.
Fiang who? Yan ba yung Korean?
Like she died when she gets an idol siya earlier.
Hardworking. Diba yan? Ang babaw niyo naman.
She's happy to get people like
Amoy good vibes. Amoy gala. Amoy good vibes.
Pagod. Mag-new and improved